Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of Kaulikai Chitranna or Kalakai rice. This fruit is also called as Karonda. It is very good for health. It's rich in iron and vitamin C. It is good for anemia, good for liver and keeps heart healthy. It fights against cold and cough. It cleans the blood and regulates the blood pressure. It is good for digestive disorders and constipation problems. It increases calcium and good for muscles. Now let us see how to make Kaulikai Chitranna or Kalakai rice. Now we'll see the ingredients required for making this rice. Mustard seeds 1 spoon, chana dal and urd dal 1 spoon each, finely chopped curry leaves, green chilies 5 to 6 sliced, fresh coconut 1 bowl, coriander leaves, ground nuts 1 tablespoon, capsicum half bowl, thinly sliced kaulikai, salt, sugar 1 spoon, cooked rice 1 bowl, oil 1 tablespoon. Now let's start cooking. First take the kadai, put it on a high flame, add the oil, add mustard, 1/6 splatters, add groundnut, fry a little, add chana dal and urd dal, fry it until it is golden in color. Add green chilies. Add the curry leaves. Now add kaulikai. Add capsicum, let this cook for 3-4 minutes. Now add coconut, Then add the salt. Add sugar. Mix everything well. Now I am adding half spoon turmeric. This is optional. Now add the coriander. Mix everything well. Now this is ready. Now you can switch off the flame. Now add the cooked rice. Mix it well. Now the rice is ready. Now Kaulikai Chitranna, Kalakai Sadam is ready to serve. This rice will be good to taste as well as it is good for the health. So please try this recipe.
Hope you like the recipe. Please like, share and support us. We'll be uploading many more healthy, tasty and unique recipes. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.